So I'm going to do a video here about how to use the Join Lines tool. The Join Lines tool is really made to quickly connect two lines that have an intersection point, but you don't know where the point is, and you don't really want to mess with like trying to extend and trim and all that. So I wrote this thing to make that process really fast and easy. So we got two lines here that could intersect here, and this is like near the place where you want to join them together. So I set this up to work on a hotkey. So you just press the letter J for join. First you select the two lines, click the letter J on the keyboard, and down here the information bar will say click near where you want the lines to join together. You can click anywhere in this area. Doesn't have to be precise at all. You just click anywhere and it'll put them together. Um, I'll just undo that and try it again just to show like you could click up here. You click anywhere in this area, it'll be fine. So this can be really useful in cases like for example, in this board, there's a whole bunch of shield walls. We turn those on, you see the shield areas that come through the board here. So if you were drawing those from scratch, you'd be drawing lines like this. And again, you'd want to like join these lines together wherever they intersect and not have to mess around a lot with extending and trimming. So just select the two lines, hit the J and click anywhere nearby. Do it again. Just keep going through here and you can see that this makes this process really, really quick. So, each time I'm selecting, I'm hitting the letter J and then I'm just clicking somewhere nearby. And that pretty much does it. There we go, right there. You can see how like just in a few seconds we were able to connect all these lines without doing a lot of work. The tool also works with traces. See, I had a case over here. So you've got some traces going into a small pad, and sometimes they get kind of jagged and difficult to deal with. So the way you do those is, again, you go into draw mode and you select the two traces and you hit the letter J and then you click nearby and it hooks them together. You go back to route mode and if you want to hook them together in draw mode, you can do that. Hook them together with the other traces using this little button right here. And go back to route mode and they're all together again. So there you go. That's it. That's the join lines tool. Pretty quick, pretty easy, pretty powerful.